Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Dehumidifier. Number 5. Fan wheels and drain hose. 50.6 gallon large dehumidifier. Designed for the modern home, that most dehumidifiers are clunky eyesores is news to nobody. Super easy to use, dehumidifiers don't need to be complicated. Eliminates moistness, odor and other things you hate. Moist is a bad word. Our portable dehumidifier reduces odors and allergens. Important things to know: dehumidifiers emit heat when in use, that's how they absorb the moisture. Number 4. Dehumidifier DeLonghi Energy Star. Dehumidifier DeLonghi Energy Star Easy Breathing, reduce the humidity in your home for improved air quality. Healthier Home, one of the first dehumidifiers to be certified asthma and allergy friendly by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America, ALPHA. Eliminate odors. The bio-silver air filter traps dust and particles while preventing mold, mildew, bacteria and unwanted odors. Save on energy. Energy Star qualified to help you increase energy efficiency and lower utility costs. Control at your fingertips. Easy-to-use LCD panel lets you control humidity level, timer and fan speed. Number 3. Dehumidifier with patented pump. 50 pints per day dehumidifier with worry-free pump function uses standard 115 volts electrical outlet. Empty water 3 ways, continuously through pump and 16 feet hose, passively through 3 feet hose or manually empty tank. Visible water level. Six-liter tank control system with alarm. Electronic climate control with LCD display. Number 2. Frigidaire 30-pint dehumidifier. 30 pints per day dehumidifier uses standard 115 volts electrical outlet. Protects your home from mold and mildew caused by excess moisture. Helps eliminate bacteria in the air that can make breathing difficult. Low temperature operation saves energy and money, 41 degrees. Container capacity, 7.6 pints. Ready select electronic controls with digital humidity readout, 24-hour on, off timer and control lock. Number 1. DeLonghi Energy Star 2.0. Cleaner, healthier home. The first dehumidifier is certified asthma and allergy friendly. The certified asthma and allergy friendly mark is a registered certification. Drier air is comfortable air. Experience your ideal comfort by removing the excess humidity from your home. Control at your fingertips. With the touch of your fingertips, The LCD panel lets you control humidity level, timer and fan speed. See clearly, with the visible water level, you can see exactly how much water has been removed from the air. Save on energy. Energy Star qualified to help you increase energy efficiency and lower utility costs.